Welcome to the channel. This is a hit Zephyr 100 second part. Recall, following the previous video, we did set up, build the environment for Zephyr project, and we already built the different images, but we just stuck at the simulation. This will be the video for simulation part. After doing some research, I figured out in order to run simulator, we need to build the board as native POSIX. Pass this argument to the board option, then, for example, we can run this application called synchronize. That's the command I launched. So let's try. After this build, we can just run Western build -t run. It will launch the application. Basically, that's a synchronization Hello World application, and I can find that build give me generated file called exe file. I can go to Zephyr. That's the file just generated for us. When you build a native POSIX, it gives me this file. So if I check the file type, zephyr.exe, it says Intel 8368 system. That's basically how I find the emulator. I tried another application which we built earlier for the MIM93 evaluate board for A53 SoC. If I try to run this Western build simulator, I got evaluation simulation not supported with this board. So that's why I cannot run emulate for this board, but I will try another board. Let's try to build one of the ARM Cortex M33. Let's see how it goes. Let's see. See this board. See this. Cortex. Command called Q. If I run West build for Qemu, let's change the board name from native POSIX to Qemu Cortex A53. Okay, so let's see what's name for the board. Qemu CRTX A53, and see how it goes. So because our build folder, now we have the environment of configuration of the conflict with the previous build. So I need to move this build folder to my build old. So now if I run, it will build my Cortex A53. After, we're going to try to run simulator to see if that's supported by the Zephyr for Cortex A53. Build Zephyr. Let's see if it goes well. Cortex A53. Message. It's still using ARC. Okay, it's done. So we can say it's generated Zephyr.elf, but I don't know if we have executable. I'm gonna run what's the build -t run. You see. It said Zephyr make run Qemu. elf build ninja build stop subcommand field. So we need to figure out. Probably my Qemu is not installed correctly. I will double check this. Okay, from the error message, it said bin shell Qemu not found. Qemu not found. So if I type Qemu help key, it doesn't have this command. It said sudo apt install aqmu. apt install aqemu. So let's try this, but I have a solution to try Qemu. It's install Qemu, and you'll see this. Okay, it's installed, and you can see, you can try again. It still said Qemu not Qemu not found, and run Qemu. Run Qemu. Yeah, not found. So I do some research and found from Linux host to shout this one. It says need install Qemu as this command. Bridge util. Enable Qemu service. We'll try this. Following this instruction from this web page, I did install the whole subsystem, including all the kind of different libraries. The installation is done successfully, but the test result seems not as expected and positive. We will see after the installation. When I rerun this Qemu, it looks like it's still not being installed. You see it's not found, so the script cannot launch the simulator. Qemu, later on, I figure out from ChatGPT 4 actually suggests me to install Qemu system, the command I just showing on the screen now. After this installation, actually the problem was solved. We can see later on the later video, it's resolved. So far, if we run simulation, it still said Qemu not found, but I figure out maybe the bin file installed by this Qemu subsystem is not really called Qemu. So if I try to run Qemu system with the x86, which exactly the bin file located under the user bin folder, then simulation can be run, which means it's run, but it will stuck at another boot device file. It doesn't go further, but at least this Qemu system is there, which showing on the screen. So later on, we'll have to figure out further to make sure the application can be run by the simulator. Is the Qemu system. After that, if you just launch it, use West to launch, it still not go because I tried Qemu is not recognized, which means but Qemu system x86-64 recognized. So we have to use create a symbolic link between them, or just launch Qemu use this command by yourself. Yeah, so the issue seems to be resolved by install Qemu system. Okay, that's good. Now I will try to create a symbolic link between this to my, because now it's booted, right? It's even no bootable device, but I have to figure out the connection between West simulator to my Qemu installation. Let's queue it. Okay. So I need to create a symbolic soft link between my Qemu system to the Qemu shortcut command. So let's symbolic soft link between the source Qemu and I use the which command to find the installation path of my Qemu system. So I copy this. Okay. It's a executable. So if I make alias, yeah, basically I need to decrypt what this command does. Like rest build -t run. It's trying to run Qemu and run Qemu. cd this. Yeah, I need to probably and let's go to this build folder and try to run this command. Probably I can do this. Qemu. Probably I need to install Qemu for this ARM platform. For example, if I run this, dash CPU, let's see, dash CPU, no graphics, that looks like the parameter for Qemu. I will do a quick try. Okay, unsupported machine type. Let's see, because this we need to have a similar Qemu system called ARM. Yeah, that's basically unsupported machine type. Use machine help to list supported machine. So QEMU, okay, system x86. Use this dash machine. Command from 86. Yeah, looks like the platform that match cost machine. Unsupported machine type machine list. Okay, it support unsupport list. Use machine help to list machine dash machine and I help. Okay, that's the supported machine. Okay. Okay, PC. Yeah, looks like a machine I use is not supported by this Qemu system. Okay, so I have to build a different one instead of, I think instead of build, let's see, instead of Qemu Cortex A3, I need to Qemu okay, let's see, native property. I don't know, let's do some research. Yeah, some research. Qemu Quest build dash B Qemu x86. I think the earlier video we did correctly because the Qemu system was not installed. That's why I cannot work. Let's try this again. Qemu okay, Qemu x86 doesn't have the 64 bits here. Yes. Okay. And let's start trying. It's beautiful Intel x86 SoC architecture. Forward. Loaded G board x86 Qemu x86 diff config. Using this board, load this diff config and generate .config file under build Zephyr. Oh, it's builded. Now we'll run the simulate. Where's the simulate? Simulate west build -t run. Here you are. Now it worked. Okay. Finally. Yeah, early we built correctly, but because of the Qemu system install was not correctly done, then it doesn't work. So after we fix the Qemu installation, rebuild the x86 platform demo code, hello world code, then it can run simulation. Successfully simulated. Good. That's an achievement. Thanks for watching, and please provide your feedback and support the channel. Thank you.